Hey guys, Don Master here. Just a quick little haul for you. A couple days late. It was Snapon Friday, and an order came in. I picked up or replaced a heel bar that I lost out of my 4 or 5 piece set. I think it's a 5-piece set. Can't remember. But this is the little 5-inch heel bar. It's an expensive little bugger, but it's the Snap-on part number 650, I believe, USA. I've tried a lot of different heel bars. I started years ago with the Harbor Freight set. This is the Harbor Freight one that I bought probably 12 years ago. And probably 4 years after that set, I bought the Snap-on set, which is at work. I don't have it in front of me right now, but the little guy is easy to lose, especially when you're younger. When I was younger, I lost it. So it had been missing for probably 4 years. But I threw in this one, and it kind of does the job, but it's a little thick, and I like the lower, thinner profile of the Snap-on on the end there. I have taken the medium-sized Harbor Freight one and shaved it down and made it work a little bit better, but I just wanted to complete the matching set and take this one out of there and replace it with the right one. So this is an expensive little bugger. I think it's 50 bucks, but if you don't lose it, it's lifetime. You can see the difference there. I know Aries and a bunch of other companies probably make them. I could have gone that route, but I just wanted the matching set. And this is all just casting marks on the Snap-on. This one doesn't look as nice as the other ones I've seen, but it's still a really good tool. But anyway, these come really handy when sometimes you need more leverage than something like this. Now this guy's just a little 5-inch, 5 or 8-inch pry bar. This one's got warranted. I bought the black pry bar set probably 10 years ago, and I broke this guy and another one, just years of use. They come with an oiled tip. This one's never been opened up. That's the first time I took that off of it, but I usually use the Mac pry bars at work, and the Snap-on set stays at home for various side jobs. And anyway, they're good pry bars. I wish I had them in a different color when I warranted this one and this other black one, the 12-inch, I believe that is. I asked him if I get high vis or a brighter color, and he couldn't get them. The stock is hard. Anyway, this one's great, and that's all I have to say about the prying stuff. And then I've been on the fence to get a manual impact driver. Had to borrow coworkers, and his didn't do it because he had a auto parts store one, which does work, but for really tight stuff it doesn't. So I borrowed a different coworker's Snap-on impact driver, 3/8 one. He has the kit, the like $400 kit. The impact driver itself, the Snap-on USA one, is $88, I think, somewhere between 80 and 90, and that's pretty cheap compared to the kit, because the one with like 6 bits is like 400 bucks. So you're paying like $300 for a few bits, and it didn't make sense to me to buy the kit. My Snap-on dealer had the Snap-on kit on there, and then they have a master kit for $1,200 or $1,000 or something that has way more bits in it, but no Torx bits or anything. So I already have a bunch of bits, and the dealer he said he could just order me the Snap-on impact driver itself for 80 bucks or so. So I was gonna do that, and then he found this on the truck. He sells Lisle also, and it's a 1/2-inch drive impact tool set. It's a 3200, and this is a Lisle made in USA. Whole kit for 50 bucks out the door. Now I'm sure I could have got it cheaper on Amazon. I put these in here. Found these laying around the house, so I threw them in, but this is a great kit. I did want a 3/8 drive. just a little bit more versatile, but this Lisle was a 1/2 inch. I'm sure Lisle makes a 3/8, but just a girthy mother. And you know how Lisle is, they don't really put any part numbers or anything on their stuff. I don't know why. It doesn't say USA anywhere on it, but the box says it's all made in USA, and it comes with the bigger bits. I think these are 5/16 bits. The heavier duty ones. So it comes with a 4, Phillips number 4, a Phillips number 3, yeah, PH3, a PH2, a PH1, very good quality impact, and a flathead. What are they calling this one? An 8, whatever that is. And then the adapter, very strong magnetic 1/2 inch to 5/16 adapter with a magnet in there. It's kind of weird looking, but this magnetizes the bits in place. Very rugged, Lisle quality. I've always been a fan of Lisle tools. They're cost effective and they're very durable. Not all their stuff is made in USA, but a majority of it is. A lot of their impact tools, hardline tools are. So you put that bit on there, and then 1/2 inch drive pops on there, and just give her a whack and crank it in the direction you want. Now these work really good with sockets also, or if I need to use a bit that's not included in here, I might buy more bits, 5/16 bits, I believe that's the size, drive size, but 1/2 inch drive, you can put an impact socket on this and bang away at it. You can put a 1/2 to 3/8 adapter, put 3/8 drive stuff on it. For 50 bucks, made in USA, you can't beat it, in my opinion. I was looking at like the Duratag one or Tecton gear wrench on Amazon, and anywhere from 20 to 50 bucks, but I wanted to stick with the USA kit. I was on the fence with the Mac kit. Mac has more bits in it, but the Mac one I believe is not USA anymore, unfortunately. So, and the Mac one is 199 bucks, or maybe more. It might be in the 200s. But I went with the Lisle because they're pretty universal, you know, so I can get more bits. And again, that's the Lisle 1/2 inch impact tool set. 3,200. Made in USA and Global Components. Lisle Corporation. Clarinda, Iowa. Very nice. So, if any of you have this kit, let me know. And it even tells you the case is made in Taiwan. So, that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.